Today is Friday night. Friday night, fun night. You gotta do something fun. You gotta do something fun. So I'm gonna try to make my first cookie ever. And I'm gonna try the corn cookie from Trader Joe's. And Sarah say even elementary schooler in America can make the cookies. So I shouldn't F it up. I'm gonna follow the instruction. First I gotta smooth the 2 sticks of butter, so unsalted. Oh my gosh, I'm kinda scared. Oh 씨, 어떡하지? 2 sticks of butter is 225 grams, so I gotta cut it a little bit. Perfect. 224, 225, 224, pretty much. What? You put this much butter? This much? I'm gonna die by diabetes or something. Are you sure? I don't wanna eat anymore. I like cookies, but this is too much. Okay. Can I microwave? 10 seconds. Microwave. 10 seconds. Microwave. 10 seconds. I'm getting a little help from the master bakery Sarah, so I can blame her if it doesn't work. 10 seconds. Baking is super nervous.
Many tic-tacs later.
It seemed like it did nothing. Okay. Using a mixer in a large mixing bowl, but we don't have a mixer. Hand? What? Butter?
Nope.
Just try it. Mixer. And I'm the machine. Ooh. It's too much. Like, literally too much. Is it just Trader Joe's or is it always like putting this much butter? Am I doing it right? Oh, until smooth. I feel like I'm a super noob. I have a cooking channel and teaching you guys how to cook Korean food and I feel like super noob.
Few moments later.
Okay, that's pretty smooth. And combine cookie mix and an egg with butter and mix until dough comes together evenly. But they say large egg and my egg seems super tiny. It smells like what? Toasted corn flour, kinda like creamy. And mix it until even. Is this right? It seems like there's not enough water or something. Is this actually how it goes? Okay, let me mix it more. Actually, 이거 아닌 것 같은데. Well, it smells super good though. It smells very. How do I take this thing off? It's okay. Kwon is smart and I have a spoon. I'm a human and human use a tool. Ooh, but it feels kind of sticky and I don't like it. Last time when I make the Korean corn dog, it was very jorgy and squishy and I really like the filling of the dough. But this one is kind of sticky and I don't like it. Oh, if you haven't watched my corn dog video, you can click here. Oh, it smells super good. I like it. Oh, it's all stuck in my hand. Oh, I guess the cookie batter is more sticky, not as squishy at all. Never knew it. Did everyone know it? Oh my god. I kind of look like a professional. Super professional, right? Look at it. Looks super good and professional, right? Professional. Did you say loser? What do you mean? I'm having a me time with my first cookie dough. I think I mixed it pretty evenly. I think it's ready. Not sure. Ooh, ooh. I thought it's gonna be super gross because I put like tons of the butter. I like it. Super weird. I was like scared because it's gonna be like greasy since I didn't cook it. I thought I would feel like I'm eating like tons of raw butter, but it's like a sweet and a boozy and I like the fragrance of the butter. It's so smooth. I like it. Can I just eat this?
Yeah.
Mmm. 맛있는데? Sue made a little note for the Trader Joe's cookie mix. Trader Joe's staff recommended mixing in their honey Aleppo spicy sauce, and I don't know what Aleppo spicy sauce. And she said maybe try gochujang. That sounds super disgusting, honestly. But since she recommended, I'm gonna split the dough into half, or less than a little half, because I think it's gonna be disgusting. So about this much. Okay, this is, I don't know, my mama told me not to play with the food, and this seems very wrong, 100% wrong. Gochujang is a Korean red pepper paste. It's very dry and spicy. Look like that. Ew, disgusting. I actually put the gochujang in the cookie dough. It sounds super wrong. I don't like the texture. I don't like the texture of the gochujang with my finger. Oh, it's become red. This is what it looks like. Pretty red. Not bad. 이거 왜 이러지? Gochujang taste is very subtle, not strong at all, but I can still have like a really subtle spiciness and a fragrance of the dry gochujang flavor. I kind of want to put more. What? Yeah. 이거 괜찮은데? 이거 왜 괜찮지 이게? 이게 왜 괜찮지? I'm gonna put more. 이거 아닌데 이거. 이거 이상한데? I think I should have stopped it. The flavor is half and half. Last one was like a 10 to 20% of like a subtle gochujang flavor. This one is like a 50-50, like 50 cookie and 50 gochujang flavor, and it's definitely not bad. I kind of like it though. I'm not sure. 이게 맛있나? I'm not even sure what am I doing. I'll be honest with you guys, I looked it up how to make this. I didn't know whether I should make a circle bowl or I have to make it like a press it and make a cookie shape. But I learned that, so I gotta make a ball. I thought I had to make like a whole thing, like you gotta press it down and make a cookie shape. How big? They didn't really teach me how big I should make it. Is it too big? Is it? Right. That's a big one. This is more fun than I thought. Okay, this is what it looked like. Small one and big one. Spicy one. Red, orange color. And yellow, beige color. For the spicy one, I kinda wanna spice it up with the spicy pepper. I'm not sure I'm doing it right, but as you can tell, I don't even know what the hell I'm doing. Kwon's Corner first cookie ever is going into oven now. Woo. They say preheat the oven to the 325 Fahrenheit. Cook it about 15 to 18 minutes. So first try. Oh my goodness, let's go. Go, go, Power Ranger. Let's go, my baby. Higher? For sure? Higher. Okay, higher. Bye-bye, sayonara. Right now it's at 8:19 and I'm gonna check it at 35. Okay.
11 minutes later.
Oh my god, it's not time yet, but smells super good. I can't wait, so I gotta show you guys. It's rising! I can't see it. Oh my god, I cannot show you guys. It's so dirty. Oh, can I open it? Can I open it? Is it okay to open it? I don't know, but I'm gonna open it. Oh my god, look at it. Oh wait, is it? Oh, the gochugaru is burning, I think. It's getting fluffy! That's what I mean! Oh my god, it's getting bigger and thick! Oh my god, super excited! Oh my god! It's ready! Time to open it! I need glove. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god! 뜨거라! Ooh! Wait, does it? It's kind of burn, right? Hey, don't be mean to my cookie. This one is not burned.
It's very burnt.
No, this one is not burnt. Hey,
It's burnt.
this is not burnt.
That side's not. The other side is overcooked.
Little like overcooked is good, I think.
Not for cooking.
Those twos are the original and those are the spicy, and gochujang is totally burnt, so I don't think I should make more with the gochujang. Making cookies is hard! I will say this is not fail because I don't know what succeed is. So. This is my second batch and I lowered the heat since my oven is very small, and let's see how it goes. Let me try while I'm waiting. Is it a little burn? I don't know, I think it's fine. It smells like popcorn. Should it smell like that? This is the original. Oh my god! Do we have milk? Wow. It's very soft inside and very crispy outside. 진짜 맛있다. Even though it smells like popcorn, it doesn't taste like popcorn at all. It's super buttery and creamy and very sweet, and I like it. 맛있다! I need milk! I need to go get milk now. Now I'm gonna try the gochujang with the gochujang. Okay, this is what it looks like. Oh! Oh, 맛있다. You know, sometimes like when you have a taste, it shouldn't go well, but it goes well. It's kind of weird, but I kind of like it at the same time. That's what it felt like. 이거 맛있는데? It's more like a. 진짜 이거 되게 특이하다. This is very special. Like, it's not sweet at all. I mean, it's sweet, but compared to the original one, not sweet at all. And more I chew it, more it tastes like red pepper paste. Like a dry, smoky, chili paste. And I don't know, it goes well. That's the weird part. I kind of like it. It's less sweet and maybe I like it more. I'm not sure, but maybe maybe it's a pepper. Let me get some water. Oh. Red pepper flakes is bringing out the flavor more, and since it's a little burnt, it makes it more smoky than a non-flake part. Kind of like it, super smoky. I don't know why this thing goes well. Power of Kwon's corner.
Shit, it's power of soup.
If you never tried it, try it. It's kind of weird, but kind of goes well. I'm super surprised. Oh, it's ready. Let's see. Wow, it's a perfecto. Perfect. Look at the color. Oh, 뜨거워. Shit. 진짜. 뭐지? 아파. Ooh, it looks super good. I'm gonna let it cool a little bit so I can have a good thumbnail. I finished baking and I'm gonna try my perfect one. This is the original and this is the gochujang one. As you can see, the color is really different. So let's try the original one. Super good. Since it cooled down, it's not as soft or ooey gooey inside, but super crispy outside. And I kind of like a more fresh one. When it's hot, it's like ooey gooey inside and a crispy outside. That's my preference. The taste is very nice, buttery flavor with the sweetness, but like not normal sweetness. It's like a very corn sweetness, and I really like it. And gochujang one. I like it. Oh my god, it tastes super. Where's the old one? Okay, this is my first batch, like a little overcooked gochujang cookie, and this one is the right one. But somehow I like the taste of the little overcooked more. The overcooked one is way better than a right cooked one. Is that the one? I mean, their taste pretty similar, but since this one is a little overcooked, it's way more smoky, and I really like that flavor more than this one. This one is like I'm putting 1 spoon of gochujang on top of the corn cookie. That's how I feel. But the overcooked one is like a smoky and kind of new flavor, and I really like it more. I think if I make it again, I think I'm gonna make it overcooked. So much better. And I kind of like it though. I'm not saying this is bad, just this is better. That's how I'm saying. I'm gonna cook this a little longer So that's it for today's episode, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you guys enjoyed it, please hit the like button. That will help my channel a lot. I didn't know baking was this fun, and if I knew it, I would bake it a lot more. And if you guys want me to bake anything, like I'm new to baking, I don't know how to bake. So anything you guys mention, it will be new to me. And if you guys want me to try new baking, please let me know in the comment down below. See you next week. 안녕! If you like this episode, please hit subscribe and the like button. And if you wanna see more video, it's over there and over there. And if you have any requests, please comment down below. Then I'll make sure to cover it in a future episode. See you next week. 안녕!